My name is Muhammad Syarizal and I'm from 1B.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fikri Yusof and I'm from class 1B.
My name is Muhammad Akmal Manazir and I'm from class 1B.
My name is Muhammad Azikar Srifli Muhammad Shaizam and I'm from class 1B. So my part is we will be discussing about how we create the function menu. As we can see, all of the function menu are see out, and we just see out all of this to make it look like a template for our courses, and we just write the subject, the time, date, and fee for the courses menu.
Okay, so here is for the registration part. So first we will see out enter name, and then we will go to see out, and then it will store in the name variable. Then we will see out into age, and we store in the age variable. Then we have the while loop here for the checking if the age is invalid. Then we have the see out into gender, and then we will store in gender variable. Also we have the while loop here for if the user enter invalid input for gender, which is other than F and M. Then we will proceed with see out into email. Then we will store in email variable. Then we will see out enter phone number. Then we will store in the PH variable. Then we will see out enter number of courses you want. Max is 5. Then we will store in the course variable. So here we have the while loop for the checking if the invalid for the courses number is wrong, which is less than 0 or more than 5.
So next, for the calculation, we use switch case selection to calculate the total fees. So in this for repetition, it will detect the course code, and then in case A, it will calculate C fee, and then sum plus to total fees to calculate overall total fees. Same goes to case B, calculate the C++ fee, case C, calculate the Java fee, case D, calculate Python fee, and case E, calculate PHP fee. So we go to next calculation. If sum more than 300, we will use discount function, which is discount function is function passed by reference to calculate discount 15%. So we multiply sum with 0.15 because of the 15% discount, and then we calculate the total fees after discount, which is sum minus with discount. So we will get the total fees after discount.
Now I will explain how we design the receipt. So first we see out the title, which is receipt. Next we see out the name and age that the user has entered. Next we use if selection structure to display the gender. So if the user enter F as the gender, we will see out the gender as female. But if user enter M as the gender, we will see out gender is male. We will also see out email and phone number that the user has entered. Next we use for repetition structure. In this structure we will contain one function. So this function we use switch case. So if user enter A, we will see out course selected C for winner. If user enter B, we will see out course selected C++ for winner. If user enter C, we will see out course selected Java for winner. If user enter D, we see out course selected Python for winner. If user enter E, we will see out course selected PHP for winner. We will also see out the total price in the receipt. Finally, we use if function. So if sum more than 300 will display, you get a 50% discount for total fees above RM300. We also see out the total discount and the total fees in the receipt. And finally, we see out the thank you for using our system. Have a nice day.